Dear student, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Japji Infotech. In today's video, we have come up with a revision of lesson number 4 of Computer Science class 12. So be sure to watch this video to the end to fully revise this lesson. So now let's get started. So we will now learn about multiple choice question in lesson number 4. So the first question is, information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices are used to create, dash, secure and exchange electronic data. So the right answer is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical device are used to create, process, secure and exchange electronic data. So our second question is, with the introduction of online education services, student can learn from anywhere using the dash, and the option are internet, power, 5G technology or email. And the right answer is, with the introduction of online education services, student can learn from anywhere using the internet. So third question is, Android operating system is a dash operating system. So the option are computer, mobile, technology, and the last one is virtual reality. So the right answer is Android operating system is a mobile operating system. So the fourth question is, cloud computing is a kind of dash based computing. So the option are big data, IoT, internet, or the last one is Bluetooth. So cloud computing is a kind of internet based computing. So now we will learn about write the full form of the following. So the first one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. VR. VR stands for virtual reality. IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IT stands for information technology. And GPS stands for global positioning system. So now we will learn about short answer type question, and the first question is, what is information technology? So information technology is a field in which computer or other physical components such as hardware and software are used to create, process, secure and exchange electronic data. So information technology is used for the study, understanding, planning, design, construction, testing, distribution, support and operation of software. So computer and computer-related systems that exist for the purpose of data, information and knowledge processing. So our second question is, give name of any four current trend in information technology. So the name of the four current in trend in information technology are, the first one is mobile internet, second one is Wi-Fi technology, third one is Bluetooth technology, fourth one is e-commerce, and fifth one is m-commerce. So our third question is, define Bluetooth technology. So Bluetooth is a wireless local area network technology that allow all type of media file to be sent or received wirelessly via Bluetooth. So this technology is used to transfer information over short distances in phones, laptop, personal computer, printer, digital camera, mobile phone, webcam, GPS, car, keyboard, mouse, etc. So our fourth question is, define GPS technology. So GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and one GPS is available in every smartphone. So GPS technology is used to find the geographically location of any place or location, and it is a global navigation satellite system. It can be used to find the distance or route of any two places, and is also used to locate or map out nearby institution, hotel, offices, etc. The fifth question is, define multimedia technology. So multimedia include all the technique that help create or display multimedia content, including a combination of images, audio, video, and text in a single application software. So multimedia technology include interactive computer-based application that allow people to exchange information digitally and in printing elements. So our sixth question is, define 5G technology. So 5G is the next generation wireless technology, which is many times better than 3G and 4G. The 5G mobile network will connect people, but also interconnect and control machine, object, and devices. So a 5G network can be up to 100 times faster than 4G, and it can transmit data at speed of up to about 20 gigabit per second over a wireless broadband connection. So with the help of 5G technology, an HD movie can be downloaded within 1 minute. So now we will learn about long answer type questions. Our first question is, what is information technology? Describe the various application of information technology. So the information technology is an area in which computer or other physical components such as hardware and software are used to create, process, secure, and exchange electronic data. So information technology is used for the study, understanding, planning, design, construction, testing, distribution, support, and operation of software, computer and computer-related systems that exist for the purpose of data, information and knowledge processing. The application area of information technology are as under. The first one is business. So the information technology has changed every aspect of business to a great extent, and with the advent of computer, the world of business has changed forever. So information technology can be used in business to run its business smoothly with the help of computer and various software. So IT for business is used for information processing, decision making, information sharing through decentralized computing and new research application. And the second one is classroom education. So education is one of the area which is increasing day by day with the help of technology, and the education has helped the student to prepare for their future by reaching out to them by taking advantage of the advances in the technology. So teachers can use devices like computer, mobile phone, smartphone, smart electronic board, and internet as a medium of learning during the teaching process. And the third one is online learning. So with the introduction of online education services, student can learn from anywhere using the internet. So online education is also being enhanced by the creation of a mobile application which enables students to access education material via their mobile phones. And the fourth one is finance. The discovery of computer has transformed the financial industry and how business deals are transacted. It is possible for accountant to keep large amount of data, conduct calculation, and manage financial transaction all from a computer. And the fifth one is health. So with the improvement in information technology, it is becoming easier to reform the health sector. This make it possible for timely care to be delivered as well as for cost to be reduced. So healthcare facility, particularly hospital, are using social media to establish contact with patient, answer question about practices, launch public awareness campaign, and perform community outreach. And the sixth one is media. So media sector has been totally upgraded by IT. Now media can cover news better and can distribute it for the mass consumption on a large scale. So nowadays online websites have been launched to keep people up to date. And the seventh one is transport. So new innovation and invention have upgraded the transport industry to a great extent. So roadways, railways, airways, and waterways all are revolutionized. It becomes easy to get information about availability of seat, timing, etc. with the help of internet. So second question is, describe Android technology with its advantages. So Android is a operating system used for mobile. Android operating system is a mobile operating system that was developed by Open Handset Alliance and later owned by Google to be primarily used for touchscreen devices, cell phone and tablet, but now it is also used in car, TV, wristwatches, notebook, gaming console, digital camera, etc. So Android has proven to be a great platform for mobile devices. So Android features make it better than any other platform. Advantages of Android technology are support various media platforms such as MP3, MP4, etc. Second one is sports video technology such as camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, speech, etc. Third one is it provides multitasking and easy access. Fourth one is compatible with various platforms such as Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and Linux operating system. And fifth one is having a large number of users. So third question is write short note on nanotechnology and Wi-Fi. So nanotechnology is a type of engineering in computer science in which electronic components are manufactured in the size of nanometer, which are very small in size and structure. So nanotechnology is an area where nanoparticles are practiced and their use is found in diverse fields such as computer science, chemistry, biology, physics, and engineering. For example, the processor that is in our smartphone is an invention of nanotechnology, which is small in size but works like a large computer. Now we will learn about Wi-Fi technology. The full name of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So Wi-Fi is a technology that provides network connectivity using a radio wave for wireless high-speed internet and network connection. With the help of Wi-Fi, we can easily connect devices like mobiles, laptop, computer, and printer to the internet and network, but its area is fixed. An adapter for a Wi-Fi connection can be made a hotspot that is usually a wireless router and is connected to other devices such as laptop, mobiles, game console, PC for internet access. So our fourth question is describe virtual reality with its advantages. So virtual reality is a computer technology that is used to create an imaginary world and it makes us feel as if we are part of that imaginary world. Virtual reality means making us experience things that don't really exist. So virtual reality is a technology in which we experience being in a world generated by computer imaginary. So when we watch a 3D movie carefully, we feel that everything that is happening in front of us is real, but in reality nothing like that happens. So the advantages of virtual reality system are first one is virtual reality has made viewing technology more enjoyable than reading. Second one is the use of virtual reality provide a great better user experience. Third one is it create an imaginary world that matches the real world. Fourth one is doctor take advantages of virtual reality technology to learn about new medical symptoms. Fifth one is virtual reality makes education easier. So the fifth question is what is the Internet of Things and its advantages? So the Internet of Things is a new technology that focuses on making human life more simplified and comfortable. The Internet of Things is a set of devices connected to the Internet, and these devices include wireless sensor, software, actuator, and computer devices. Each device is assigned a unique identification ID, and these devices use a wired or wireless medium to connect to each other, gather information, and send information and data to each other. So everyone on the Internet of Things is done with very little or no human help. So the advantages of Internet of Things are it reduces human effort, improves security, save time, efficient management, efficient use of resources, and the sixth one is mutual coordination, and seventh one is sustainable use of electricity and energy. So student, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notification of more video like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.